Nakitlong ka Ri Khasi. Ngiwan lam siya pi ko sngur bakhuit patpasyngam. Ka beats aqua. Si postnem dang yai pinja sliang.
Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Hakaway ka jingja accident ka bladja man ta kamin. Kaway ka kali Tata punch ka badon yung number ML ship hodi hinriyo kanday hinyo saw. Kala Tynrah Nadien ya kaway ka truck dumper ka badon yung number ML katway ar saw pran riyo hasurok ba jong kushnong Nongpoh. Kat kum gitulong Khubor kani ka jingja kaladja kumba ka Porsche hobuji minmit. Kat ba kati ka truck dumper kadangkit Maurya na kushnong kiling banlik panhap hakashnong pahamsim. Loong ba, kat ba katrok kadang yad suki ketika kali Tata punch kelawan kensan bat Tynrah sendon Nadien jong ka. Kablapin julor bo ni kabenta ba siya Khmut jong kali kabawan Tynrah. Nakani ka jingja Nongñiah jong Tata punch ula Mynsaw balapin kin marmar sa Civil Hospital Nongpoh banyo ka jing sumar. Kat ba kakali Tata punch kala julor bo ni kabenta ba siya Khmut. Hadin ketika jingja kipulit ke Nongpoh kilapoy mardor siya kajaka ban penlong ya kajing toket halor kadaw jong ngani ka jingja. Mat kila tano ketika atli kali siya tanat nakabenta kajing toket kabakam banya.
Iska. Ut. Engine mau sih udah. Engine long sudah. Lah, hello. Okay. Okay, hap. Ya.
Every morning in our house begins with a race. Shoes, slippers, everything on the ground. Mom shouting for breakfast.
Lisa, what is your
Dad's hunting for geese. And I'm in a hurry putting on my socks. Shillong's roads are always full. Honking cars, parents rushing, everyone trying to reach somewhere first. Then one day, the STEM's bus came to our lane. Big, bright yellow, like sunshine on wheels. The bus is always on time. Arcatica waves, it feels like family arriving. Inside, it's not just seats and bags and uniforms. It's laughter, stories, songs, small little friendships growing every morning. We share snacks, help with homework, and learn to wait for each other. I think that's what community really means. Caring for people who share your road. When I see other parents dropping their kids one by one, I think, wow, if one bus can take 50 of us, that's 50 cars less on the road. My father says the bus helps save money because it's not just fuel we're saving, it's time too, and time matters. And my mother knows exactly where I am, every turn, every stop, all thanks to the STEM's app on her phone. The bus feels safe, clean seats, big mirrors, and a careful driver. When a new student comes in, we always make space, and by the next stop, we're already laughing. When we reach school, our caretaker walks us right to the gate. And after school, the caretakers are always waiting, smiling as they walk us back to the bus. The caretaker feels this bus has made life easier, but to me, it made life a lot more happier. Because one bus doesn't just save money or time, it saves mornings. It gives us cleaner air, calmer roads, and families who can breathe a little easier. I think our city is growing smarter, not faster, just kinder. And every day, this bus carries something more than just us children. It carries stories, friendships, dreams, the small moments that slowly becomes memories, and carrying a little bit of Meghalaya's heart with them. Every day, as the bus doors shut and the engine hums to life, I take a quiet moment to be grateful for the journey, for the care, and for everyone who makes it possible. This is Thames, our ride, our happiness, our tomorrow.